we're going to do is we're going to start physics of start dropping, and here the things gets dropped into the plate, and you can see how they behave in the physics environment. Okay. Hello guys, hope you all are doing good, and welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel. And in this today's video, we are going to learn about Nvidia USD Composer. Okay, so we're going to create multiple stuffs. We're going to create multiple things in Nvidia, and with the help of that, we are going to learn Nvidia. Okay, and I don't think so that you are not aware of Nvidia. Everybody is aware about Nvidia, as it is very big producer in graphics. But now Nvidia has came into digital twin and industry revolution, industrial AI, and lots of different stuffs. Okay, so we are going to start a Nvidia series for beginners and advanced, from from very small steps to very advanced. From basics to advanced is what we're going to start with this new Nvidia series, where we will be learning about animations, modeling, rendering, physics, and many more industry digital twin technological concepts using Nvidia. Okay, so let us start. So this is your USD Composer. Let me know in the comment section if you want a detailed tutorial on how to install Omniverse launcher, and then how to put in Omniverse USD Composer and stuff like that. I will be putting that for you. But let me know in the comment section whether you want the tutorial to launch USD Omniverse Composer. Okay, so this is a platform of USD Composer, Omniverse USD Composer, which can be used for digital twin, industry 4.0, digital industry transformations, industrial AI, and a lot of stuff. Okay, but in this today's video, we're going to learn a small physics with a small example. Okay, and let us start that doing, guys. Okay, so don't take things very in detail, as of we will understand that step by step in detail, but let us go with a flow, with a high level step by step. Then we'll go in deep diving the properties and multiple stuffs. So I've opened this USD Composer. This is how the screen opens. This is your background, where you need to work on. And now what we're going to do is we are going to go in Nvidia assets, and here we are going to search for the Apple. Okay, so and we are going to take this Apple seed coffee table. We're going to drag it into the environment, and then let us take a look at it, how it is going to be. Okay, so we have this Apple seed coffee table coming into the play. You can see here in the stage, you can see the Apple seed coffee table coming out here. Okay, then we have layers out done in here. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are basically going to create a physics where we are going to use this and the zero gravity feature of Nvidia, and then we are supposed to make these apples, lemons, fall onto our plate. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. So let us do that. So when you click, on this zero gravity feature, this is what the property windows are going to come aside of you. And now what we're going to do is, there are two major things which you need to consider when you work on for zero gravity. One is, you need to mark the static object, and you need to mark dynamic object. Okay, so you need to specify that what has to be static. So let us do this. We have selected this ball footer. We have clicked this ball, and this is where we have clicked in, and we are now going to click in for mark static. Okay, so this is going to make this plate as this static one. And then what we are supposed to do is the fruits, the orange one, and the lemon, these all three things we are going to select as the movable, as a dynamic entities in our zero gravity stuff. Okay, so when you plus this, you're going to have this multiple meshes into this. The orange is going to have its own meshes. So you need to select this whole complete object, so that all and everything is going to be getting selected. And then once you select this orange 3, 1, and lemon 1, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the mark dynamic. Okay, so you can see the green colors are now highlighted across all these entities. Now let us go into the layers. Okay, so when you look into the layers, this is what you're going to look into. Whatever the changes we have made, and these are the changes which have came into this plate. So now what we have done, we have made this plate as what I can say the static one, and we have made the fruits as the dynamic one for our physics experiment. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to start this we're going to start this animation or simulation to check how this zero gravity is going to work on. Okay, so let me click on this plate. I will click on this bowl footed. Okay, and now I'm going to click on this, and let's see what is going to happen. And when we are going to click on this, dropping thing, what is going to happen is what we are going to see. Okay, so you see this, the apples and the lemons, the oranges and the lemons are into the plate now, and the moment they are settled down into the plate, what is going to happen is we are going to have the simulation stop. Okay, this is how is going to be made use of a physics. So I'll just restore all the transformations again and let us make animation again. So this is how you can create a physics, simple physics in Nvidia. Let me know in the comment section if you have any queries related to the the tutorial. If you have any comments related to this or video also, let us know in the comment section. And do not forget to like our videos, subscribe to our channel and share it with our friends, because we bring you top-notch educational content which you're not going to get anywhere else. Okay, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe for Leansimcorp channel. I hope you have liked this series, you have liked this video of our first video of our series, and we would like to continue the number of next videos. Let us know in the comment section whether you want a series on this Nvidia. If you say yes, then only we are going to continue, or else we'll be dropping it off. But it's going to be a great journey to with Nvidia working towards exploring digital twin using Nvidia simulations. So that's all for today. Let us meet another interesting video in a next Nvidia video. Okay, till then you're going to take care and keep watching our channel Leansimcorp. Okay, so just one point I wanted to mention, now in Leansimcorp channel we have putting a lot of our efforts, bringing a lot of tutorials for you. So on Monday we will be having modeling related tutorials. We had a SketchUp. Now we are starting Nvidia series. Then Wednesday we have a Flexsim tutorials associated with the plant sim tutorials, which will be coming soon from June. We are going to have Flexsim coding related tutorials on Friday. Okay, and we are also bringing up the Python scripted applications which will be helping you solve industrial problems, related to which we have created 2 videos which will be coming soon for production scheduling, daily production scheduling and weekly production scheduling. Basically optimization, that would be industrial optimization. So stay tuned for a lot of exciting contents coming through our way on the Leansimcorp channel. I hope you love that all. Please give me your feedback so that I could continue those series, bring in new content which suits your requirements. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Let us meet in another interesting video on Leansimcorp channel. Bye bye.